Hello friends and welcome back to the TechPowerUp channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC GeForce RTX 5070 Ti X-Gaming GPU series. So friends, ZOTAC has gaming series expand the RTX 5070 series and the graphics card is available in OC and non-OC variant. Overall, each model is physically identical except from different memory configuration and GPU, as the RTX 5070 use the GB205 chip instead of the RTX 5070 Ti GB203, and there is a card unfortunately available exclusive in China, and you can find them on the ZOTAC China website, but there is not listed to international version. So that is unlikely the change from this generation. The company offer a wide range of model including the solid and AMP Extreme series, but has not launched the Trinity model yet. So friend, that design has inspired by Mr. Doodle, an illustrator from England. Graffiti, spaghetti style, and the design is featured on the front shroud and incorporating teal and purple colors on the top and white color with 3 fans. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.